Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You walk to your window, expecting to see blue skies and green trees, but instead you see a vast red desert stretching to the horizon. The sky above you is not blue, it's orange. The air outside is deadly, and Earth, the planet where humanity was born, appears only as a tiny blue star in the distance. This is not science fiction. This could be the future of humanity. Welcome to Mars, the mysterious red planet that has fascinated humans for thousands of years. A world of giant volcanoes, endless deserts, frozen water, and secrets buried dusty surface. It may become humanity's next home. Today, we're exploring the incredible history of Mars, how it was formed, what scientists have discovered there. Let's begin our journey. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was nothing more than a massive cloud of gas and dust. Then gravity began pulling this material together. The sun formed at the center. Around it, planets slowly emerged. Mars was born during this chaotic era. Scientists believe Mars was once much different from the cold desert we see today. Ancient Mars may have had rivers, lakes, even oceans. Evidence discovered by spacecraft suggests liquid water flowed across its surface billions of years ago. Some scientists even believe Mars could have supported simple microbial life. If that's true, Mars may not only be humanity's future, it may also hold clues about life's past. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was nothing more than a massive cloud of gas and dust. Then gravity began pulling this material together. The sun formed at the center. Around it, planets slowly emerged. Mars was born during this chaotic era. Scientists believe Mars was once much different from the cold desert we see today. Ancient Mars may have had rivers, lakes, even oceans. Evidence discovered by spacecraft suggests liquid water flowed across its surface billions of years ago. Some scientists even believe Mars could have supported simple microbial life. If that's true, Mars may not only be humanity's future, it may also hold clues about life's past. Mars may be smaller than Earth, but it contains some of the largest structures in the entire solar system. The most famous is Olympus Mons, a giant volcano standing nearly 22 kilometers high. That's almost 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Imagine a mountain so massive that if you stood on its summit, you might not even realize you were at the top because of the planet's curvature. Mars is also home to Valles Marineris, a canyon system stretching over 4,000 kilometers. If placed on Earth, it would span across an entire continent. These enormous formations remind us that Mars was once a geologically active world, a planet with incredible power beneath its surface. For centuries, Mars existed only as a distant light in the night sky. Then technology changed everything. In the 1960s, humanity began sending robotic explorers toward the red planet. Many missions failed. Some spacecraft disappeared into space, others crashed. But scientists never gave up. Eventually, successful missions began revealing Mars in unprecedented detail. Orbiters mapped the surface. Landers touched down. Rovers began driving across alien landscapes. One of the most famous rovers was Curiosity. Then came Perseverance. These robotic explorers discovered ancient riverbeds, minerals formed in water, and organic molecules. Every mission brought us closer to answering one of humanity's greatest questions. Was Mars ever alive? The search for life on Mars is one of the most important scientific missions in history. Scientists aren't necessarily looking for intelligent aliens. Instead, they're searching for microscopic organisms, tiny forms of life that may have existed billions of years ago. On Earth, life can survive in some of the harshest environments imaginable, deep underground, inside rocks, even near volcanic vents. If life can survive there, perhaps it once survived on Mars too. Future missions may return Martian soil samples to Earth. Inside, those samples could be evidence that life emerged independently on another world. If that discovery happens, it would completely change humanity's understanding of the universe. Now comes the biggest question. Can humans actually live there? The answer is complicated. Mars presents enormous challenges. The atmosphere is extremely thin. There is almost no oxygen. Temperatures can fall below -100 degrees Celsius. Dust storms can cover vast regions of the planet. And unlike Earth, Mars lacks a strong magnetic field. This means dangerous cosmic radiation constantly bombards the surface. Without protection, long-term human survival would be difficult. Yet scientists and engineers are working on solutions. Future settlers may live inside underground habitats. Some structures could be built using Martian soil. Others might be covered with thick layers of dirt for radiation protection. Water could be extracted from underground ice deposit. Oxygen could be produced from the Martian atmosphere. Food might be grown inside controlled greenhouse systems. It won't be easy, but it may be possible. Imagine the year 2100. The first permanent Martian city stands beneath giant protective domes. Solar panels stretch across the horizon. Greenhouses glow with artificial light. Children born on Mars play in habitats built by human hands. Scientists study the planet. Engineers construct new buildings. Explorers venture into unexplored regions. Communication with Earth takes several minutes because of the enormous distance. But despite the challenges, humanity has become a multi-planet species. For the first time in history, civilization exists on more than one world. What sounds impossible today may become reality tomorrow. Some people ask an important question. Why spend billions exploring Mars when Earth still has problems? The answer is that exploration has always driven humanity. Right now, Mars is a cold, silent desert, a world of dust, rock, and ancient mysteries. But it may not remain that way forever. One day, the first human footprints will appear in its red soil. One day, lights may shine across its dark horizon. And one day, people may look up from Mars and see Earth as a distant blue star. The red planet has waited billions of years. The question is no longer whether Mars is out there. The question is, when will humanity finally call it home? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through the red planet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible stories about our universe.